Buho para sa kuryente. Sa gilid. So, dyan na yung natapos ni Craig. Nila Craig. Mama guys, kapanilhig. So, lapit na gid matapos. Ayan na siya. Na-flat na na. Yes, dari na naman ang simentohon.
No more, Mama. Tell Mama no more, bud.
So, ang gid. So, na siya.
Mama should go and get a new shoes and come out.
Turn around there. Very solid ang ilang ano? Oo, magpa. Namin siya dingding. Hindi mo na kailangan ni anumang ba ng parehas ko sa balay na kailangan mo pa simento ko. Okay, or ano na siya?
Good job.
Good job, Bala.
Looks good.
Good job,
So
Bala.
because we're gonna bring the concrete through here,
Yep.
there, and bring it down that way.
So it won't run the water from there to the concrete?
Oh, possibly, but it's got to drain. Yeah. It won't be too bad. You don't see water running down this hill much anyway.
No. Plus the grass will ano.
Yeah.
Even this one, there's no water coming there.
No.
Ito talaga ng hollow block dito, guys. Sobrang kapal. Kapal kay siya, oh. Ano? Tapos very solid. Hindi na kailangan finishing, guys, kay solid na kay siya. Very clean. Ang atake sa hollow block. Me and Mama. Na 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 na.
Pwede magana isa ka car diri oh.
Pero hindi man kasya car dira. Motor lang yun. Tapos na mga bike, mga fridge, mga iba dira cabinet. Jan jan jan. Jan jan jan. Jan jan.
Is it hard, babe?
Huh?
Is it hard?
Huh?
Is it hard?
Very hard.
How do you know?
Because I can feel.
Oh.
This is the one you said.
Yeah, both of them and this.
It's not too bad.
No, it's only at the top. And inside the shed we'll put either carpet tiles like in here or garage tiles.
Yeah.
What are those switches over there, babe?
Where?